Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Temperatures are still chilly tonight, but it's not as cold as the past few nights. We're not dropping well into the 20s or anything like that. Instead, we're dropping into the upper 30s for most locations. A couple of us, we're already there. We're in the mid 30s right now in Scottsboro. With the cloud cover rolling in, the wind still mainly out of the south. That's going to help keep temperatures up. It's 43 right now in Huntsville. Decatur, we're at 41. That's a couple degrees warmer, so to speak, than we were earlier this evening at 6. So you can already tell that that wind is starting to have an impact. The clouds have had an impact as well. 46 degrees in Muscle Shoals. The Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network still showing a couple of indications here of just some noise around the area, but look at all of the cloud cover. This is lower cloud cover than those thin high clouds we had rolling through earlier today, and all of this is shifting in from the southwest. We're going to have a gray start to the day tomorrow, although it will be a fairly dry start in the sense that we've only got isolated showers initially, mainly for the shoals first. As we go through the day, those showers continue to spread eastward, and then we'll end the day with a big line of rain and some embedded thunderstorms that roll through here ahead of a cold front. So that's the reason why you see that 70% chance of rain indicated by 5 o'clock. Temperatures will be topping out in the upper 50s. Believe it or not, it's a little bit above average for this time of year, but it's the last kind of mild day that we're going to have for quite some time. I think that by the time we get into, let's say even this time tomorrow night, the scenes around North Alabama are going to be very similar to this in the sense that streets are going to be damp. We'll have rain rolling through. The rain coming to an end, though, just before midnight for our eastern counties. This was a photo taken by the founder of the Alabama the Beautiful Facebook group, Beth Cowan Drake, in Huntsville this weekend. So I thought it was really lovely seeing captured in black and white here. And with those wet roads, I do think that it's going to look very similar by tomorrow once the rain rolls in. Something else to keep in mind, that as we have this cold front moving through, the wind is going to start picking up even ahead of this front. So we're going to be gusting 26, 27 miles per hour here by noon. And it is a fairly warm wind because remember, it's out of the south, but it shifts, comes out of the north. That ushers in all of that cold air behind the front. We're talking wind chill values in the teens on Thursday. Something else to keep in mind is the fact that we do have some thunderstorms in our forecast, but that risk for severe weather is just off to our southwest. There's no outlined risk here across North Alabama for tomorrow. And even still, that's a 1 out of 5 on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center. Here's what it looks like on future radar. Clouds tonight, a few showers tomorrow morning. Keep watching though. Stopped at noon, now all the way to the afternoon, 3:30. As we get into 6 o'clock, here comes the rain ahead of that front. And it really kind of ramps up right over North Alabama between 8 and 10 o'clock. Notice the rain here across northeast Alabama, and then notice that chance for some freezing rain in its wake. This is 2 o'clock Thursday morning, now all the way into 6:30 Thursday morning. There's a brief window here where we can see a quick glaze of ice, but I don't see any big impacts. So we're talking that chance for maybe some slick spots on some icy bridges, overpasses, no major impacts when it comes to power outages or anything like that. And just to show you briefly here, that chance for some snow is back on Friday too. Kind of an outlier in data sources seeing that snow kind of grazing eastern Alabama. Just know that we're watching it for you. Chance for accumulation looks fairly unlikely right now, but that is the area that we're watching. And the days that we're watching, Friday into Saturday, regardless, it's going to be cold. 37 is your high on Thursday. Friday, your highs only in the mid 30s. We'll be right back.